Hello there, my name is Natalie Tackett. I'm a decorative and restoration artist, and I'm known as BRUSHEDartist on social media. And I'm here to talk to you about how you can repair a stencil in a setting where maybe you're in a historic home, and as I am here, and maybe there is an existing stencil that's done with finishes that you can't match. Maybe it's not really cost effective to match an entire stencil. It's not necessary because the area that I have here is quite small, where we did a plaster repair. Now the walls are glazed around these framed areas that have the stencil in them. So you know, it would be very easy, I guess, to just pounce a little bit of glaze on that and just kind of go, but we're trying to do a much better job, and that's how we roll. So I'm going to show you how we would recreate that stencil to be able to actually recreate this finish and be able to quickly do this repair. So you can do this very properly by getting the film that you can cut, but in this case, since it's something that can be done fairly quickly since it's such a small area, what I'm using is a freezer bag. You can use you can use press and seal. I've heard actually several people have recommended using press and seal. What I didn't like about the press and seal is that it has a frosted look to it, and it was very difficult for me to actually see the shapes to be able to draw the stencil area where I would cut onto the plastic, and it does still need to be fairly crisp so that I can use that here to do this repair. So what I've done is taken my Sharpie and I have literally traced over any areas that that have the dark areas that need to be cut out. And I'm finishing that now while I'm talking. Okay, and then I will actually take my trusty razor blade, cut these areas out, and because I have selected areas on this stencil that will give me perfect markings over here on this stencil, then I will be able to line those up just so, and be able to execute my repair. So it will be very simple once this stencil has been cut out for me to do my pouncing technique with my glaze, and then no one will ever know that we were here. And that's always the goal. So thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.